What's up, guys? James R. Davis Sr. here. Real quick, I wanted to record this going out for a walk. I want to record this video real quick and had some questions about the differences between the $27.95 and the $99. The $99 is simply a customer product. They get just a credit repair only. It's $99 one time. There is no monthly fee. They get the entire credit repair system. They can start repairing their own credit, mastering it, keeping it, maintaining it, even charging other people to repair theirs because they're going to have the knowledge on how to repair credit. So, but they can't enroll other customers into the credit repair system because they're not a marketing director with my Iconz. So $99 just gets you the credit repair system. You can't enroll other individuals. You can only outsource your services, your knowledge, and charge other people that want to perhaps get their credit repaired, that don't want to learn. They don't mind paying $300, $500, $800, $200 a month, $100 a month. I heard up to $1,500 for other people to repair their credit for them. Okay, so that's one aspect of it. That's $99. The $27.95, you're becoming a marketing director with my Iconz. Okay, you're becoming a marketing director with my Iconz, which means that you are a business owner. Okay, you are a business owner. So it's $34.95 a month. So the monthly fee, though, think about this. You guys are seeing, right? People are coming into my Iconz, doing the first strategy, right? Adjusting their W-4, following the strategies, and they're seeing anywhere from 100, 200, 300, 400, 500, 600, 800, 1,000. The highest I've heard is about 1,700 a month coming back into somebody's household. $34.95 going out a month, $1,700 coming back in, $500 coming back in every month, $200 coming back in every month, $150 coming back in every month, $35 going out, $150 coming back in. And on top of that, because you have a business, you can basically write off your lifestyle. A percentage, a large, oh my God. The tax deductions alone is what I understood 16 years ago, because I was working full-time, managing a loan company, a title loan company. And I went from making $10 an hour as a loan officer to being promoted to office manager to making close to $60,000. I think my best year was about $58,000 a year. No kids, single. My check was insane. All them damn taxes. Some of y'all know what I'm talking about, right? Man, and I just got to reading books and start dibbling and dabbling into entrepreneurship and learn that, man, damn, having a home-based business would lower my tax liability. So 16 years ago, I understood that. I mean, that $34.95 a month to be able to save thousands yearly, hundreds a month, that made sense to me. I'm gonna drive my car anyway. I'm gonna talk on my phone anyway. I'm going to, you see what I'm saying? There's things that you're doing anyway. I'm gonna pay my mortgage anyway, right? You're gonna pay your rent anyway, right? So, I mean, you got cable. I mean, it's like, come on, we're paying for things that we could be writing off. We got children, right? We got children, right? $12,000 per child. Okay, guys. And then understanding the power of investing into wealth, in investing and creating wealth long term for generations to come. That's what this is all about, guys. $27.95 to be able to do that. It's crazy, but that's the difference between those two. Just want to shoot this quick video to let you guys know what the differences are. And there's two different links for that. So whichever one you guys choose, let me know. Also, with the $27.95, $34.95 a month, you get a membership with that. Comes with a cashback mall, right? Get cash back, you get paid on it. You get paid to travel when you book travel, or when you book other people's travel on your website, through your website, right? Pretty cool, right? We got coffee products on there. weight loss coffee on there. What else we got on there? Man, it's called income shifting. Guys, we're shifting. My arm's getting tired. We're shifting our incomes, shifting our economies. It's called My Econ, for my economy, your economy. It's the personal financial success company. That's all it is. People's credit scores are going up. It's insane. When you guys get involved, here's what's funny. Everybody that gets involved, and I get them into the group, they're always hitting my inbox like, damn, I know. It's lit in that group. Welcoming people all day long, people ranking up, people showing proof, man, testimonials pouring in all day long. It's exciting, because the bottom line is this. When I was working on my job, right, walked away in 2005, 13 years full time, right, working from home now. If somebody would have told me, man, you can invest $27 and start a business, and I'm going to teach you a strategy of how you can get more money back into your check. Because at that time, I was looking at my check, looking at all them damn taxes being taken out. I would have been like, what? And if they would have showed me from the IRS website, right, the IRS website, and proof from other people that it's legitimate, I ain't going back to jail because I spent 10 years in prison. Ain't nobody got time for that. Right? Y'all know that, right? If it's legal, I can do it. Man, I would have been all over that. I understood tax savings, but I didn't understand. That strategy was never spoken of or taught. So, man, 16 years later, here we go. And I'm excited about it because watch the ranks and promotion that's about to happen over these next few weeks. Watch. Love you guys. Take care. Take charge. God bless. James R. Davidson signing out. Peace.